Messenger not opening on your phone. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So first guys, you will just open your settings of your phone. Then when it's opening, you will just go to apps or application. Then you will wait till it will show you all your application that you have on your phone, and you will now look for and search for Messenger. And when you found Messenger like that, just open it like this and go to storage and go to clear data, click OK and go back to first tab and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.